What you will then do is you move into the conditions tab, the condition details. And this really, before you would have been copying each one of these numbered cells and you'd be pasting them into the felling license database. But in this case, we no longer need to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to maintain conditions in the felling license database. I'm going to say yes, we do have conditions, and then I just need to quickly save that. And that brings up the box, the conditional memo box. And normally, in the old days, we would select one of these options down here, but we no longer need to do that. So what we do is we go into the PW14. We're going to have to select all the cells that have a condition. In this case, there are only two. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit so you can just see that I only have two cells with conditions in it. I'm going to go home, I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to go into Word. Now we're going into Word because we're having to do a little interim step of finding and replacing quote marks. So I paste the information in and I make sure that I select the A, so that we are simply getting basic text. So long as you see it in this basic text version, we're going to be okay. What I now need to do, because we're copying and pasting from Excel puts these little quotes at the beginning and end of every condition. So all we need to do is just quickly replace these. And this is done in a set order, and you have to do it using the text that I enter into this find and replace. So in the find what, the first one we do is quote capital C, and then I'm going to replace that with just a capital C. I then do replace all, and then I go yes, because I want to start from the beginning of the document. We've had two replacements, and I say OK. So as you can see, that's removed the quote at the beginning of the condition. What we're now going to do is quote upper hat, which is shift and the number 6 key, and a lowercase p, and in the find replace with, I'm going to remove everything, so there's nothing in there at all. And then again I do replace all, yes, OK. And what that's done is that's removed the quotes that are at the bottom of the condition. So we now have that one removed. The final one that I have to do, and this is only because a woodland officer may have actually used quotes in some of the text that they've entered into the PW14. So this final one is just to capture those instances, and what I'm doing is two quotes and I'm replacing it with a single quote. So if I say replace all and I go yes, there were no replacements because we didn't actually use any quotes in it, but you still need to do 1, 2, 3 on these replacements, and what that does is that clears the text of all these quotes. And then all I need to do is select all the text right the way down to the bottom. I go up to copy, go into the felling license database, into the memo box, right click, paste, and there we have all of the condition information, missing the quotes, but we have all the detail and everything in it, and then you would hit save as normal and progress on.